Hello, word listeners. Welcome. I'm Alex, your friendly word enthusiast, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating corner of the English language. Our word for today, drumroll please, is competent. So, what exactly does it mean to be competent? Well, simply put, competent is an adjective that describes someone who is skilled, capable, and effective at what they do. Think of it as the gold standard for possessing the necessary abilities to perform a task successfully. You might say a competent surgeon is someone you trust with a delicate operation, or a competent programmer can build complex software with ease. It's all about having the right skills and demonstrating proficiency. Now, let's explore some synonyms for competent. Words that share a similar meaning, allowing us to express ourselves with greater nuance. One great synonym is proficient. For example, she is a proficient violinist, captivating audiences with her skill. Another useful synonym is able. We could say, he is an able leader, guiding his team with vision and determination. Then there's capable. A sentence could be, our new employee is capable of handling complex projects independently. We also have qualified. The qualified teacher inspired her students to excel. And finally, consider the word adept. She is adept at problem solving, quickly finding solutions to complex issues. Notice how each synonym adds a slightly different shade of meaning to the idea of being skilled and effective. Now let's switch gears and explore the antonyms of competent. These are words that convey the opposite meaning, highlighting a lack of skill or capability. One common antonym is incompetent. Think about it. Incompetent mechanic might damage your car further, or an incompetent manager might fail to lead the team effectively. For instance, the incompetent builder caused the roof to collapse. Another antonym is inept. We could say, he felt inept at public speaking, stumbling over his words. Consider the word unskilled. The unskilled worker struggled to complete the task. Then there's incapable. She was incapable of performing the required duties. And finally, we have amateurish. His amateurish attempt at painting resulted in a mess. Understanding these antonyms helps us appreciate the full spectrum of meaning surrounding the word competent. So, how can we use competent in our daily conversations and common expressions? Well, imagine you're recommending a plumber to a friend. You might say, he's a very competent plumber. He'll fix your leaky pipes in no time. Or, you could be describing a colleague at work. She's a highly competent project manager, always delivering results on time and within budget. Think about phrases like competent leadership, referring to effective and skilled guidance, or competent care, indicating a high standard of professional service. You might even use it in a self-assessment, saying, I feel competent in my ability to handle this challenge. Here are some more examples of competent in sentences and phrases. The company is seeking a competent software engineer. Her competent handling of the crisis averted a disaster. He demonstrated competent driving skills during the test. It is essential to have competent medical professionals during a pandemic. The competent lawyer won the case. She is a competent translator fluent in 3 languages. The team's success was attributed to their competent teamwork. We need a competent electrician to fix the wiring. The training program aims to create competent professionals. The board praised the CEO's competent management. He developed into a competent player over the season. Ensure the process is under the control of a competent supervisor. Only a competent individual can undertake this assignment. A competent authority must approve the application. A competent design will solve all of our problems. So let's recap. Competent means skilled and capable, a highly desirable trait in any profession or situation. We explored synonyms like proficient, able, capable, qualified, and adept. We also looked at antonyms such as incompetent, inept, unskilled, incapable, and amateurish. Remember, Being competent is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word competent informative and helpful. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn new vocabulary too. And now for your homework assignment. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word competent and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see your creative examples. Until next time, keep expanding your word power, and I'll see you at 3 p.m. next week with another exciting word to explore.